What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to set up your Drift meetings to automatically include your Zoom video conferencing, or even GoToMeeting for that matter, information. So current state is a lot of times you're going to have to get someone to schedule a meeting, and then you have to go in and you have to edit that meeting to update the actual contact details to provide the video conference information. It's very easy to add this information in, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to make that happen. So when you jump into Drift, you're going to go to your My Settings section, and then of course click Meetings. And what you want to do is you want to dig in, and you could either create a new meeting type, or you can edit the default meeting type, which in this example is set to a 30-minute meeting. So for the sake of this example, we're going to create a new meeting type, and I'll show you how you can make these settings happen. So you see you've got your meeting duration. You can of course make that any length that you want. And then you're going to put in the public event titles. So this could be a video conference with Remington, right? So if you put in this information, you can put in whatever the link you want, and then you've got your location and description information. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to jump over to your Zoom account, and you can go to your personal meeting ID and click copy. And once you do that, you can come back over to your description, and you can paste this into the description. You can drag this little bar down a little bit so you can see more of what's going on, and you'll notice that there is the meeting ID and URL right here. So you can copy the meeting ID and URL. You could drop that into the location. And then of course you can put in a note here for 15min to make your link. Once you've done that, you've got your location as the meeting ID. You could put in some extra information right above the description to let people know what the meeting is about. And then you can click Save and Finish. And what's going to happen is every time that you get someone who books a meeting with you, they'll automatically get that Zoom information in their calendar invite. And then of course you can edit it or update it to your heart's content. But if you have any other questions about how to set that up, just let me know. Hit me up on Twitter @RemingtonBeg. If you would like to see other tutorials that we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our videos, you can do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.